My name is Michael MacNeill. I've worked here for 5 years, and I'm the Assistant Director of Student Services. And I like to tell people that means that everything that has to do with college, I know how to do, like top to bottom. I originally went to school for art, fine art, when I graduated from high school. I was in advanced art in high school, been an artist my whole life. I was gonna do a tattoo apprenticeship at one point. I made comics. After I graduated with an English degree, which was a strange path, I went back to school and got an associate's basically in graphic design. But instead of finishing my degree, because I'd taken so many classes, I just went on and I got a sort of entry-level graphic design gig. The whole time I've been doing freelance graphic design and just like a ton of art projects. So it's my whole life. It's basically, art and graphic design has been the whole thing. We're sort of the face of the school to the student, right? So if a student has any questions about their program, about their schedules, about their transcripts, student policies, school policies, ADA accommodation requests, everything that a student would ask of a school, we're some of the people who provides that for the students. We do our best to reach out to students, which is completely different than a lot of online schools. Like our admissions advisors and our student services advisors all reach out to students on a regular basis. All of us really genuinely care about students. That's the thing that blows my mind and that I love about working here is that across the board, the admissions people, students first. The president of the school, students first. Across the board, everyone has the student's best interests at their heart. And I love seeing what young people are doing, because I'm not young, you know what I mean? So I love to see what students are doing and how they're applying graphic design and digital art skills, because it's different than what I would have done, right? I made a bunch of comics when I was young, but it didn't have any digital tools. We're talking copy machines, you know what I mean? Like folding up pages to make a paste up. All those terms in Photoshop refer to cutting and pasting. That's, you cut it out and you paste it onto the page for paste up. And I love to see what students are able to do. And that's just sort of the graphic design illustration students, right? I love seeing the photography stuff that people come in. Some people are incredible just coming into the school. So that's easily the most rewarding part. Learning these students' names, seeing what work they do, watching students succeed, it's super gratifying. I also handle graduations as well. So I get to see them start to finish. The heart and meat and potatoes of this position is to reach out to students, which is why I applied and why I got it, and I'm happy to do it. It's what I love about the job.